In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Walmart gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to read your results with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Walmart gift card balance checker. This phrasing helps surface the official page right away. When the results appear, look for the link that clearly indicates it's from the official Walmart website. Before you click, take a second to verify the URL includes walmart.com and that you see the secure padlock icon next to the address. This simple check helps you avoid lookalike sites that could ask for your card details. Once you're on the correct Walmart balance page, you'll see fields where you can enter your information. Begin with the 16-digit card number. This number is usually printed on the front of a physical gift card. If you're using a digital or emailed gift card, you'll find the number in the email or the digital card view. Type the digits carefully with no spaces or dashes. If you're copying and pasting from an email, make sure you don't include any extra spaces at the beginning or end. A single mistyped digit can cause an error, so a quick double check can save time. Next, enter the 4-digit PIN. For physical cards, the PIN is typically on the back under a scratch-off panel. Scratch gently to reveal it. Pressing too hard can damage the numbers. For digital gift cards, the PIN appears alongside the card number in your email or account view. Keep these details private and only enter them on the official Walmart site you verified earlier. With both fields filled in, select the button that says Check Balance. Give the page a moment to process your request. Your remaining balance should appear on the screen. If the page indicates the number or PIN is invalid, review what you entered and try again, paying attention to commonly confused digits like 0 and 0. If your balance appears as expected, you're all set. Consider taking a quick note of the amount so you have it handy the next time you shop. That's all there is to it. By searching for the official balance checker, verifying the Walmart link, entering your 16-digit card number, adding your 4-digit PIN, and selecting check balance, you can quickly and safely confirm how much is left on your Walmart gift card.